Namaste everyone. Welcome to day 1 of Hanuman Chalisa learning series. In this series, we will learn the pronunciation and meaning of the Hanuman Chalisa step by step so that anyone can chant it with devotion and understanding. Today, we will begin with the first opening, Doha. Shree Guru Charan Saroj Raja Nij Mano Mukhar Sudhare Baranav Raghbhar Bhimal Jaso Jodayak Palchari. Now let us understand the meaning of this Doha. Shree Guru Charan Saroj Raja means the sacred dust of the lotus feet of the Guru. The poet first bows to his Guru and remembers the teacher with humility. Nija Mana Mukuru Sudhari means cleansing the mirror of a mind. A mind is like a mirror, but sometimes it becomes covered with the dust such as ego, confusion, and ignorance. With the blessings of the wisdom of the Guru, the mind becomes clear and pure. Baranau Raghbaru Bimalajasu means that the poet now begins to describe the pure and divine glory of Lord Rama. Jodayak Palchari means the one who grants the 4 goals of human life: dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. This opening verse teaches us an important spiritual lesson. Before beginning any prayer or spiritual practice, we should first remember and respect our Guru, because the Guru guides us towards knowledge, devotion, and wisdom. Now listen carefully and repeat the Doha slowly. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raja Nij Mana Mukuru Sudhare Baranav Raghbhar Bhimal Jaso Jodayak Palchari. Practice this daily with devotion. This was day 1 of Hanuman Chalisa learning series. In the next video, we will learn the second Doha and continue understanding the deeper meaning of the Hanuman Chalisa. Jai Hanuman.